It's very rare that you find 2 acres in the heart of Buckhead, and it was completely bare. There was nothing on it. And so we wanted to do something that was transformative, that matched the scale and the wow factor of this home, outside as well as in.
The gratification of every homeowner who comes and hugs you and thanks you for the beautiful space you've provided for them and how you made it seamless. That's the hit we look forward. We look forward to elevating the homeowner's experience. Builders create spaces. We're designers. We design lifestyles.
Every customer is going to be happy with the finished product. They tell me that their home is twice the size now because we've added outdoor living space. Our team does a great job of listening to what their goals are and listening to what they truly are looking for so that we can give them a holistic approach to what they're looking for. I can make their yard look beautiful 10 different ways, but we really want to find out how they want to use the space, and we want to build it so that their family can maximize their yard.
Our craftsmanship is second to none. The minute details are what really talks. Nothing is overlooked. We do carpentry, hardscape, landscape, pools, water features, fire pits. We're a one-stop shop.
They really could handle the whole project. We needed everything from flattening some grass to redoing a patio to totally redoing a deck and screening it in. And they had an idea of how to manage that whole process, how to deal with permitting, how to deal with really any obstacle that we would encounter. My backyard was essentially a death trap for my kids. We needed someone that could take a very vague vision of what we were looking for and turn it into something that not only met our design needs, but also the safety needs for my kids.
Outdoor Makeover was quick to respond, which was great. They sent out a designer right after we made contact with them. We spent time with the designer, and then the process started. And they went through demolition, and then they went through construction. It was nice because every day, at the end of the day, there was a video showing us what was done and what to expect tomorrow.
Technology has always been lagging for the construction field, but those days are over. This amazing 3D model, which when we meet with the homeowners, we understand what they want. We're able to actually create that in virtual reality and a 3D model. And for the operation team, they understand what the end result is. We don't just tell them what you need to do today. We give them the roadmap.
It's amazing. It definitely gives us the wow factor that we were looking for in this home. It feels like it was always meant to be here.
Those hugs, those thank you notes, the way they celebrate with us means a lot. That's really what drives us to continue delivering amazing backyards.